Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Sure. Can I ask you a few questions? Yes.
Sure.
Yes. Start.
Yes, start.
Yes. Would you please recommend the best tourist spot in Baguio?
Best tourist spot in Baguio. There are many best places here in Baguio. So I think one of the best place is the new improvement in Burnham Park, the Rose Garden.
Yeah.
It's a plan developed by engineering students in our school. That school there, University of
Near I
building.
Yeah. I know.
University of the Cordilleras.
Thank you.
I would like to visit your recommendation.
But in
Yeah.
Burnham Park.
Yeah, Burnham Park.
yes.
It's very near.
Yes, even I think Mines View. But
Oh, my.
Yes, Manju. I have I have ever visited
Last week.
Yes, last week.
have you tried the fountain there in Burnham at night with the
Not yet,
lights?
not yet.
Try it.
But last week very foggy day, so we couldn't see them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. What is the most Filipino flavor of food?
Food, for me, tinola.
Tinola.
Yes, chicken with malunggay.
Malunggay, I don't know.
Malunggay. I don't know the English for malunggay.
Chicken?
Yes,
Oh,
chicken.
I like chicken.
Boiled.
Boil?
Boiled.
Soup?
Yes.
Oh.
Or with, chayote.
Chayote.
Chayote. You know that?
Oh no, I don't know. Yeah.
I just know balut.
Balut?
Yeah. No balut. I heard Filipino like salty taste and sweet taste and strawberry. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Next.
Yes. Next. Last question. What do you think about Korea?
The place.
People.
The Korean.
Korean.
Friendly, like you guys.
Oh yeah.
Very friendly and approachable.
Oh yeah.
Happy people.
Yes. Me too. Oh yeah. If you get a chance, I want to visit to Korea.
If I have money.
Yeah.
Money to travel there.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Your favor. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye. Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.